Changing your bank account information on the Linux Foundation platform is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are updated correctly. Step 1. Login. Access the Linux Foundation website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find payment information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update bank account. Select the option to edit or update your bank account information. Enter the new bank account details as required, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm the updates. After completing these steps, your bank account information will be updated in the Linux Foundation system. Always double check your details to avoid any issues with future transactions.